Hello everyone, welcome to Manny Pagan travel channel. If you like travel, if you like this type of content, I'm going to ask you right now to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, so that way we can push these videos out to the YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Today we find ourselves in a beautiful area in New Jersey. It's called Lambertville, my first time here, and what's cool about this place is that you have a lot of nice buildings to take amazing pictures, right? Check out the street. Really nice, looks really historic. But best of all, you can actually go from here and walk over the Delaware River into Pennsylvania. So we're gonna check that out. So come follow me. Smile on, buddy. So you have this nice trail over here. You have a pretty cool kind of like indoor restaurant. Very nice, very nice. I really do like this a lot. Now I must say, this is one of those days in the fall where once the sun hits you, it's nice and warm, but if the sun's not hitting you, then it is pretty chilly. But a beautiful walk with this small river. I hear some strengthening water though, so let's see what's that about. There's a waterfall. Really pretty. Look at these homes with these amazing backyards. Right now we are crossing Lambertville, New Jersey into New Hope, Pennsylvania, and we are walking over the Delaware River. Beautiful. Honestly, I've always drove to Pennsylvania, always thought you could not walk there, but here I am walking to Pennsylvania. So that is a line between New Jersey and Pennsylvania. Once you cross it, you're in PA. Pretty cool, right? Let's cross into Pennsylvania. Here we are. All right, we are finally in Pennsylvania. It was about a 5-minute walk without content taking. And you know what they always say, the grass is always greener on the other side.
Why did it feel like it was warm around PA?
So immediately as we come into Pennsylvania, you see all these nice little shops, jewelry, sunglasses, very nice. Yeah, like kind of like a death store over there. I just see skeletons over there. That's another story and that's another video and for another channel. So. They got a New Hope ice cream area right here. The Mansion. It looks like that's going to be like a boutique hotel.
It says eat.
Very interesting. You got a French bakery over there. That would have been very nice to go eat at, but it seems like they're closed today. Oh, my favorite. I'm gonna have to go and get some right now. All right, so these people are legit. They have a hot chocolate float, apple crisp sundae, some good stuff. So I had to opt for these, the Nutty Bavarian. They're really, really good now. However, I think they could have filled it up with a little more of the cinnamon glazed pecans, but I love them.
Yeah, I did too.
So good. We have reached the ferry market. So here they have pizza, they have a coffee shop, they have food here if you want to eat. Cross the bridge and just come to eat, you can do that. All right, definitely have to find a spot where I can get some great shots of the bridge and the river, so check this out.
Você quer sexo agressivo, ou deixa sua bunda ardendo, ou dá tapa, 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 tapa pra caralho. Tapa, 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 tapa. Deixa sua bunda ardendo. Tapa, 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 tapa. Deixa sua bunda ardendo.
Toma sua safada, fica sua safada, vai. Toma sua safada, fica sua safada, vai, vai. Vem sentando pro pai, pai. Vem sentando pro pai. Vem sentando pro pai, pai. Vem sentando pro pai.
Não tente bater de frente, 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 de frente.
Quer sexo agressivo, ou deixa sua bunda ardendo.
Vai novinha com todo prazer, hoje você tá tarada.
Piranha, vai no toma, toma, vai. Toma, toma, toma.
Tapa, 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 tapa.
Vai, toma, toma, toma.
Tapa, 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 tapa. Deixa sua bunda ardendo.
Very nice, picturesque little city here in Pennsylvania. That's a Perry mansion. Look at these little restaurants. So this area is really beautiful, a ferry landing area. And you have great shots of the bridge and the river from here. New Hope, PA, man, beautiful. So depending on where you're living in New Jersey or in Pennsylvania, this is not that far of a drive. If you're from Newark area, it's like an hour drive, but you're going to be able to enjoy the views of Lambertville and New Hope, Pennsylvania. And you know, if you do like a 2-hour parking, it's probably gonna be like $3 to do it. You don't have to spend money, you can even bring your own lunch, and honestly, who's gonna know that you're eating lunch here in one of these tables right here? Nobody. So it's one of those trips that are worth it for all the pictures, beautiful walks in the fall, summer nights, whenever you want to come here. So it seems like this used to be a Playhouse. Now it's a restaurant.
Yeah, look. Oh, I guess they still do it.
Oh no, they actually do shows here. They actually do shows here. So it's a playhouse. They do some acting, and also they have a restaurant right behind it. So really nice for a nice date. Would be a good spot to come to.
Brain eating amoeba would be here. Yeah.
All right, we just got to the New Hope Railroad area. Really nice. Check it out. Come with me, guys. So it seems like this is like more stationary. Or there's actually tickets here. Everything is closed though, so I'm not really sure what the deal is here. Oh, so they have a Halloween event. I see. Interesting. Alright, so that was it for our visit to New Hope, Pennsylvania. So we're walking back to Jersey now. So is it worth doing this walk and going around the shops? Absolutely. Great places to eat, have a great time. So it's up to you. Did I sit and eat anywhere? I did not, only because I feel full. I actually feel full. I had a pretty big coffee today, so didn't eat. But the only thing is, if you want to shop in New Hope, you better bring the racks and stacks, guys, because it's pretty expensive. I walked into one boutique men and women's store, had cashmere sweaters, and even a bracelet, the anchor bracelets, really nice quality, but you're paying $95 for a bracelet, a cashmere sweater $350 plus. So yeah, I wasn't ready to drop all that on a sweater today, so I didn't do it. But if you have that type of money and money's not an issue for you, go ahead and shop around here. You're gonna love the shops here. But for me, all I care about is enjoying things like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and continue following my channel. Subscribe to my channel so that we can see all these amazing videos and content. All right, take care, guys. All right, so we just stopped in Ches Alice Pastry in Lambertville, New Jersey. Okay, so we're back in Jersey. Check it out, guys. It's like a chocolate mousse type thing. Looks absolutely amazing. And I must try it. Let's see how it is. So check it out. This thing is totally made out of chocolate. Even the cup, even the plate. It's all chocolate. Looks like a nice espresso. So let's see. I gotta try it. Oh man. This is amazing. Wow. This is so good. Wow. So creamy. It has like cake in there, coffee.
What did you say, man? Delicious?
I thought he was still recording.
I am recording.
Oh. Sorry.
Wow. Mmm. Man.
Baby, you want to have your dessert now?
Really, really good.